Hello everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I'm just quickly bringing you guys just a quick shampoo and conditioner, a new product that was given to me during Christmas time, I think it was. Yes, but I was deep into my stretch then. I wasn't gonna be fanning around with new products, so I'm just going to try these two bad boys out. Shampoo and conditioner is Elements Revitalise me shampoo, time to spa. So that is the shampoo. It's a sulfate shampoo, and that is the conditioner. I have high hope for these two bad boys. I cannot wait to try it. Having said that, I have never felt like not wanting to wash my hair like I am feeling right now. I just can't be asked. I think I have gotten spoiled, by my one process routine that I've kind of got myself stuck on the last few weeks. The routine where I do my deep conditioner on dry hair and co-wash it off with this. I even have a video where I replace this, with this shampoo. It's just one process, simple, easy, in and out, and that's it, because my life is getting more and more hectic. So I'm preferring that inevitably every 4 to 6 weeks or 8 weeks at a push, which I'm currently 8 weeks post relaxer. I have had to shampoo my hair. When I mean shampoo, I mean using a sulfate shampoo or a clarifying shampoo. In this case, I'm using that because it's a sulfate shampoo to strip everything out so my hair can start afresh. Talking about sulfate shampoo, now I am going to be doing a deep conditioning today. Not just any old deep conditioning. I will be doing a protein treatment, which I'm due at, way due to do a protein treatment. So I'm using this hair mayonnaise along with a Queen Helene cholesterol. So again, because I haven't got time to be jumping in and out of the shower or washing basin, so I will be doing the 70 and 30 ratio kind of mix. In other words, I will be adding about 70% of this in a bowl and adding 30% of this to balance the protein out. So doing a clarifying shampoo for me or for my hair in general, when I do a clarifying shampoo every that 4 to 6 weeks or even 8 weeks, in my case this minute, will allow my hair to kind of allow the protein treatment to penetrate better, as opposed to if I have co-wash, they do protein treatment, or if I haven't clarified, they do protein treatment. The result is not quite the same. So for better result for me anyway, if I clarify my hair like I'm about to do now and do a protein treatment, the result is much better. So I've kind of waited, in a sense, when I'm doing a protein treatment to use this product. Like I said before, I've had this since December, and this is what are we? June. So she has been hanging about for a long time. So I don't know if any of you guys have used this product. I don't know, tried it, seen it, heard of it, I don't know. But most places I've seen this is shampoo hotel. They will have them in them little sample size. It's like a luxury product. So when I go on their website, the Elements website, that product range from £21 each or £30 for both of them. It's only 20 mils. It's only 200 mils on each. The conditioner have 200 mils and the shampoo has 200 ml. I will click the ingredients and some of the gimmick and maybe put somewhere on the screen for you guys to see. So yeah, that is what I'm working with. It's really, to you guys, it's just a quick shampoo and conditioner. That is all you are here for today. I won't be showing you the full house of my wash day. So the verdict: the shampoo smells good. It was way too runny, just too runny. It just goes everywhere, including places you necessarily don't want it to be. Normally, a thicker shampoo, you apply it to the hair, to the scalp, then as you rinsing it out, the force of the water rinsing out, then wash the length of the hair. But this one, because it's so watery, it just goes everywhere, no control. Did this wash and clean my hair? I'm gonna pat my scalp in a minute, but my hair did feel clean and stripped. Yes, it's a surface shampoo there. But on this occasion, that is perfectly fine. But if I were doing a clarifying shampoo, this would be a no-no. Way too stripping. Yes, I know I'm heavy-handed, but I use way too much than, I don't know if you can see the mark there, than I would have used if it's a thicker shampoo. Yeah, I know I'm heavy-handed, but shampoo being that liquidy hasn't helped me at all. The conditioner, on the other hand, I love the conditioner. It makes my hair feels a little bit overly soft. Is that even a word? That was in the shower. I don't know when I take this off now if it's still the same. I don't know. But during the time I apply it in the shower, my hair felt really soft. It's almost like too soft. Does that make sense? Is that even a thing? That's what I felt. It smells good, no doubt about that. It's running consistency. I don't think I show you guys. Yeah, it's really running. I did not like this pump. You know, if you noticed when I was in the shower, I had to take the lid off and just pour it out, for God's sake. I mean, if once I become a senior citizen, you know, when I have all this time, you know, in the world in my hand, then yes, I'm just gonna sit there and just be pumping my life away. But until then, I haven't got the time to be pumping. Jesus Christ. Yes, it smells good. Because of the very runny consistency, make it ideal, because it just go evenly, apply nicely to the hair, and make my hair feel extremely soft. There was a lot of hair that came out when I detangled. That's because I haven't combed my hair in 5 days, so that kind of, I have to, you know, take some sort of accountability for that. So as far as, yes, the softness is still there. Yes, I love that conditioner. Oh wow, this is unbelievable. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, my hair is feeling really soft. I like this. I'm not quite sure about that shampoo. I am not gonna save this product for wig. You know, when I have products that I'm not that keen about, I usually kind of push it aside for wigs. No, this is better than that. No, I have used better products. This is not. If you watch the video when I was washing my hair, I wasn't screaming for joy. It's not the worst product I've used, but it's not the best product either. Does that make any sense? I like the conditioner, which often is the case with most products. I didn't jump out of my skin like I did with Clarissa's product range. But this is good. So I will be keeping this product, those two. Whether I will repurchase it when those runs out, I don't know. But as far as I still have those two bottles laying around in my house, I will keep them and use it maybe every 4 to 6 weeks. You know, when I'm doing what I've just done today, which is clarifying and protein treatment. So yeah, definitely I will keep those for that. Yeah, I like it. It's not the worst product I've used, but for the price tag, it's a little bit of a know what I'm saying? Yes, this my scalp. Was my scalp clean? No doubt about that. Absolutely. Quickly. Look at them new growth popping out like no man business. Love it. 8 weeks post relaxer, guys. 8 weeks post relaxer. So yes, I'm just going to let my hair air dry. My hair feels so soft, like there's nothing else in here. Unbelievable. It is really soft, so I like this. I would like to use this, you know, midweek. I would like to use that conditioner just to cold wash and see. It's really nice. This is nice. I like that conditioner a lot, actually. Yeah, that's all right. So yes, I'm gonna just wait 5 more minutes for my hair to kind of, you know, the excess water to kind of go away, which for the best part it nearly has. And then I will apply my protein treatment, which is nice, nicely mixed, ready to go. I suppose this concludes this video, guys. If you have used this product, let me know if you like it, how it make your hair feels. Yeah, leave me a comment below. Okay, I will talk to you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for sticking with me.